Tonight on Redbeard's Overthunk Junk, I look at the camera. I dig a ditch. Well, I didn't dig it. But anyway, a ditch got dug and we're running some conduit. And Waffles gets new tires. But most importantly, like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, Redbeard here. Anyway, I get asked all the time, like, what's it like to be as awesome as you? And that's a difficult question to answer. But I'm going to show you what a typical Friday night up here in the world of Redbeard's Overthunk Junk looks like. Yeah, there's some cool stuff going on in the shop. We got the old Viper engine under the cloth there. What is that? Oh my goodness, what is that? Anyway, that's a Sammy Mog. She's kind of a staple here in the shop. What do we do here? Well, we ordered a lot of parts. So I got brake parts, differential gasket, brake hardware kit, friggin' hub seals for the rear axle, the drums. These don't fit anything. Those are going back. Whatever. I do have new wheel bearings, so we're going to get that rear end put back together. Going to get all that taken care of. Oh my goodness. I love Dodge. I don't, the day's coming when you're going to see a lot more Dodge in the shop. But for now, we're just playing around. Look at that. I got a little SRT logo. We're going to weld that into the front of the Ram Charger when we're done. Got an SRT banner. We got our Hellcat. Demon banner here. Anyway, I'm just kind of playing around. None of that stuff really matters. But what we are working on tonight is, if you don't remember, I did have a little incident where we melted two legs together on the wiring to the shop. So we got it fixed, somewhat. We got it temporarily fixed. And what we got going on is we only have 110 down here. So the air compressor's not doing anything. The welding cart's not doing anything. And finally, it's a long story, but anyway, we're about to be done with this. So come tomorrow evening, I think we'll have 220 back down here at the shop. Got the last of my stuff here. Anyway, a lot of PVC goodness. Got to run the conduit. We do have buried grade cable, but there's a lot of rocks and stuff up here. So we're going to do the conduit as well. Look at this. I got some bald 40s. These got to go on the rear. I don't know. It's probably not the best view of the front. Let's go back around here. Let's look at the front. I do have the 40s mounted up on the front. The biggest perk to this setup is I get a free test run on 40s. I do have 36s, TSLSXs that'll fit these rims. We'll put them on there. But I just kind of wanted to see, like, you know, if I decide to run 40s, will they fit? That's the big question. Will they fit? Who knows? But look, guys, a lot of progress. A lot of progress. You've probably seen a short about the trench. Look at the trench. Well, tonight we got the conduit run. So tomorrow we're going to do the tie-in, the final seal on the conduit. Oh my goodness, what's going on over here? Big Black Betty. Everybody needs a one-ton dually with a little bit of work done to it to haul trash on Saturday mornings. Anyway, I did these bumpers. One of the first things I welded was these bumpers, front and rear. But what I'm really happy about, I love my mud flaps. Dan Muskoff again did the vinyl work. That is cat yellow. And look at that, Big Black Betty. And what's it say on the other side? Oh my goodness, let's go find out. Oh, look at that, Gandalf. You shall not pass. You might pass me if I don't feel like messing with you. But if I'm in the right mindset, I'm going to make you want it. Betty's a little motivated. I've had her since new. She's a 2010. She's older. No big deal. But she's been a good truck. Anyway, this is what typical Friday night looks like, man. Getting ready to head up and call it a day. Got to get up in the morning and haul trash. And then hopefully, we're going to do a full tie-in on the electrical. I'll have my 220 back. We're going to get that rear axle put back together. I think I have all the parts. Like I said, I reused a couple seals. Gear oil is cheap. We'll get her done. And long story short, we're going to get that thing all up and ready to go. And then Monday morning, I'll fly out to Colorado. Maybe I'll get to eat at Casa Bonita. Maybe not. I don't think they're fully open yet. But anyway, I'm going to check it out as my flight gets there early. And I'll definitely do a run up through Rocky Mountain National Park. Should be some really cool footage. I think I'm going to be driving through 8 to 9 foot of snowdrifts plowed up along the road. Should be some pretty cool stuff. I bought a new, I hate to admit it, but I bought a selfie stick that turns into a tripod like 5 foot tall. So that's going to help me get some more footage as I travel around this summer. And then I have a camera mount for the dashboard of the rental car. Lord help the rental cars because, well, I drive them like a rental. So we'll see how all that goes. But anyway, guys, hope you're having a great weekend. This one's going pretty good. Hopefully we get some more stuff done. And look, you got to trust me, man. Cooler stuff's on the way. So, like, share, subscribe. I should have put that at the beginning. But anyway, I appreciate y'all following along. And we'll see how all this comes together. Thank you.